Okay, on this side, what we're looking at is some numbers that either multiplied and made a negative number and added and made a positive, or they multiplied, made a positive number, and added and made a negative. So to multiply and get a negative number, you had to have a positive number and a negative number. Okay? So for 56, if I had 1 times 56, that would make 56. 2 times 28. 56 will not divide evenly by 3. 56, will it divide evenly by 4? Yes, 4 and 14. Okay? 5 will not divide evenly into 56. 56 divided by 6 is 9.3. That doesn't work. 56 divided by 7 is 8. And since 8 is our next value, you know, I can't just go down to 8. So that gives me the factors of 8, 14, 28, and 56. Now, one value is going to be negative, one's going to be positive. I've got a sum that's positive, which means that it's the bigger number that's going to be positive, because it's going to be 8 minus 7, or 14 minus 4, or 28 minus 2. So which one of these, if I subtracted the smaller factor from the larger one in the pair, would give me a value of 1? If the smaller one has to be negative, 8 minus 7 would be 1, wouldn't it? So it's going to be negative 7, positive 8. So negative 7 times 8 is negative 56. 8 minus 7 is 1. Okay, let's look at the next. Now, they've got a positive product and negative sum. Okay, either a positive times a positive gives me a positive. Thank you, sir. Or a negative times a negative gives me a positive. Now, looking at our situation, I'm thinking it's got to be a negative times a negative to give me a positive, because they added the two and got a negative number. So I'm going to draw this line to kind of separate my work from the first one from the second. Okay, so to make 36, I could have negative 1, negative 36. Negative 2, negative 18. Negative 3, negative 12. Negative 4, negative 9. 5 won't go into 36, but 6 will. Negative 6, negative 6. Now, which of these would have a sum of negative 13? 4 and negative 9. Okay? So again, if my product is negative, then it was a positive times a negative. If it's positive, either it's a positive times a positive if this value is positive. If it's a positive product and a negative sum, then it was a negative times a negative. Okay? So I'm going to give you a few more minutes to work on that.